Welcome aboard. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're setting sail into the world of marine propulsion and its maintenance. From diesel and gas to wind and solar, we'll navigate through the sea of propulsion options and their unique maintenance plans. We'll also delve into the latest advancements and environmental considerations in propulsion technology. Whether you're a boat owner, an engineer, or part of a marine-based company, we've got something for you. Stay tuned to discover tips and strategies to keep your vessels in ship-shape condition. So, let's weigh anchor and dive right in. In the world of marine propulsion, there's a wide array of options available for boats, including diesel, wind, gas, and solar. Each of these propulsion types requires its own unique maintenance plan. There are almost a dozen different types of propulsion systems, each involving a variety of fuels. The most common is a diesel-based system, frequently found in both smaller boats and larger recreational vessels. But let's not forget about the early naval and boating vessels, which operated on steam turbine propulsion, water jet propulsion, and diesel-electric propulsion. With rising environmental concerns, alternative forms of propulsion have evolved. Wind propulsion, for instance, is successfully powering merchant ships, and solar propulsion can now generate power up to 40 kilowatts. Biodiesel propulsion is also showing promise with testing in full swing. Fuel cell propulsion, a clean system that uses hydrogen for fuel, is another exciting development. Nuclear propulsion is even being experimented with on naval ships. Gas turbine options, one of the fastest propulsion systems, are ideal for ships under attack. Tri-fuel propulsion, which allows a vessel to burn gas, diesel, or heavier fuels, is another versatile option. But propulsion isn't just about fuel. Technology involving new propellers and add-on devices is playing a significant role in marine propulsion. Conventional propellers that are either fixed or controllable pitch are being joined by new add-ons, podded systems, thrusters, and water jets in the powertrain of more and more vessels. As boat owners, engineers, regulators, and marine-based companies weigh the pros and cons of these developing marine powertrain technologies, they're bound to encounter maintenance issues. This is where marine engineers or specialty companies come in, ensuring that a ship is in good working order. Routine maintenance and repairs are critical to prevent major breakdowns or losses. For marine equipment, routine maintenance is typically electrical or mechanical. Equipment manuals specify when certain tasks must be completed, based on running hours. Life-saving equipment, spare part management, and emergency equipment must also be maintained. Marine engineers and mechanics typically work on board large vessels to manage these tasks. For private boat owners, many routine maintenance tasks are similar to caring for a car. Routine tasks like cleaning and lubricating should be handled routinely by a boat owner. More complicated tasks involving HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems should be left to the professionals. Here's a pro tip: preventive maintenance is always less expensive than emergency maintenance. Now let's talk about some basic components you should include on your marine diesel maintenance checklist to keep your vessel in tip-top shape. Firstly, ensure your vessel is well lubricated. Oil not only reduces the friction of moving parts, but also helps keep the pistons and cylinders cool and seals out contaminants and corrosion. Simply change your boat's oil and filters based on engine running time if you boat frequently or seasonally if you don't. Cleaning your sea strainers regularly is a must, as they are the top cause of engine failure. The seawater works as a coolant to your engine's fresh water system, so ensure this cycle is free from obstructions to keep your engine temperature low. Other tips include cleaning, if not replacing your impeller each year. If you boat in fresh water, ensure that your pressure cap is secure and change your antifreeze every other year. Mixing elbows tend to get clogged over time and should be replaced every 3 years, and don't forget to test your thermostat regularly. So that's your crash course in marine propulsion and maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained vessel is a happy vessel. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. We've navigated through the sea of propulsion options, their maintenance plans, and the latest advancements in propulsion technology. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more insightful content. For more detailed information and resources, we invite you to visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for sailing with us today. Happy boating!